In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Rocket Money subscription whether you're looking to save some money or just don't use the service as much as you thought. Canceling can be a straightforward process, and I'm here to walk you through each step. First, let's start by heading over to Rocket Money's website. You'll want to open your browser and navigate to Rocket Money's login page. This is your gateway to accessing your account dashboard, where you'll be able to manage your subscription settings. Once you're on the Rocket Money homepage, the next step is to sign in. Now click on the Sign In button. Here you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. It's important to ensure that the information you input matches your registered details with Rocket Money. If you can't remember your password, there's typically a Forgot Password link that can guide you through resetting it. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself on the main dashboard. The dashboard is where everything starts. It's your control panel displaying all your financial data that Rocket Money helps manage, but today our focus is on canceling that subscription. From the dashboard, you'll want to look for the Settings option. Usually you'll find this as a clickable link or button, often represented by a gear icon. Go ahead and click on that. Inside the Settings menu, there should be a section labeled Premium. Click on this to proceed. The Premium section is where you can view the details of your subscription, including any benefits you have access to as a subscriber. Now, let's get to the crucial part, canceling your membership. Look for the option that says Cancel Membership. Clicking this option initiates the cancellation process. Sometimes, services provide some incentives for staying or might ask you to confirm your reasons for leaving. Be prepared for such pop-ups or prompts. You'll want to click on Cancel Membership here. At this point, you should see a final prompt that might try to sway you into staying with incentives or potential offers. But don't worry, this is a standard practice among subscription services. To continue with the cancellation, you'll need to click on Continue Cancellation. This confirms your choice and moves you forward through the final steps of the process. Remember, once the cancellation is complete, you might lose access to certain features immediately, or it may end with your current billing cycle. Make any necessary preparations ahead of time, such as downloading important data or receipts. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Rocket Money subscription. Feel free to revisit their services if you need them in the future, but for now, you've removed one more financial obligation from your list. Thanks for watching.